Hey guys, here's how you can enable Edge panel on your Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's what you can do. First thing first, open your settings app on your device. So now once you've opened up your settings app, what you need is scroll down a bit and you can look for the display. According to your device's version, you could find a display option somewhere. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and type in display. Once you're in the display section, scroll down a bit. You will be able to find Edge panel. Tap onto it. You could see off, right? So to enable this, toggle the button. Now it is blue. That means it is turned on. Underneath, you could also find other options like panel, handle, show landscape mode, all that. Now you could go to panel section and you can find these options. Here you could go ahead and customize it according to your preferences. Just go back and you could find handle. Now this is for the color and the position, right? So you could go to the position. If you want to keep it in the right hand side, you could click or tap onto right. And if you want to make it to the left, you could tap onto left. Now, if you also want to customize the color, you could do this by selecting any sort of color that you like. Now that you've done this or that you've enabled Edge panel, you could go back to your home page. So once you go to the home page, you might find it in the left hand side. You could simply swipe, and this is how you will be able to enable Edge panel on your Android. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.